1. DIY paper bag baskets. Remember those paper bags you get from the grocery store? Don't toss them out just yet. With a bit of creativity, you can turn them into sturdy storage baskets. I recently tried this myself and was amazed at how well it worked. Simply cut the top portion of the bag to your desired height, fold down the edges to create a rim. You've got yourself a custom-sized basket perfect for storing everything from magazines to toys. 2. Glass jar repurposing. If you're anything like me, you probably have a collection of empty glass jars sitting in your recycling bin. Well, it's time to rescue them. Give those jars a good wash, remove any labels, and you've got yourself some fantastic pantry storage containers. I use mine to store everything from rice and pasta to homemade granola. 3. Cereal box drawer dividers. Simply cut the boxes to fit your drawer's height. Cover them with some pretty paper if you like, and use them to separate different items. Now my drawers are neatly organized, and I can find what I need in seconds. 4. Hanging sponge holder. Take an old soap dispenser, cut a slit in the front, and hang it on the side of your sink or on the wall nearby. Now you have a perfect spot for your sponge to drain and dry between uses. It's a small change, but it's made my kitchen sink area so much tiddier. 5. Amazon box totes. If you're an online shopper like me, you probably have a stack of Amazon boxes in various sizes. Instead of recycling them, why not turn them into storage totes? Just turn them inside out, so the plain cardboard is showing, reinforce the bottom with some tape, and you've got sturdy storage containers. I use these for everything from storing out-of-season clothes to organizing my craft supplies. 6. Mason jar pour tops. Here's a nifty trick I learned from my grandmother. Use old condiment lids as spouts for mason jars. This works especially well for things like homemade salad dressings or bulk-bought oils. Just punch a hole in the lid of your mason jar and screw on the condiment cap. It's an easy way to reduce waste and make pouring a breeze. 7. Top-labeled spice organization. If you're tired of rummaging through your spice cabinet, try this simple hack. Label the tops of your spice jars instead of the sides. Now when you look down into your drawer or shelf, you can see exactly what you need at a glance. I did this in my kitchen, and it saved me so much time and frustration when cooking. 8. Ritz box bag dispenser. Don't throw away those empty cracker boxes. They make perfect dispensers for plastic bags. Cut a large oval in the front of the box, stuff it with plastic bags, and you've got an easy way to grab a bag when you need one. I keep one of these under my sink for garbage bags and another in my pantry for food storage bags. 9. Tea box self-dispenser. For all the tea lovers out there, here's a great way to keep your tea bags organized. Take an empty rectangular tissue box, cut off the top, and stand it up vertically. Now you can store your tea bags in it, pulling them out one at a time from the opening. It's like having your own tea bag dispenser. 10. Pant hanger cookbook stand. The clips hold the book open at the right page, and you can hang it from a kitchen cabinet knob. This keeps your cookbook off the counter and at eye level, making it easier to follow the recipe. Plus, it protects your books from spills and splatters. 11. Rice or flour bag storage. Don't toss those empty rice or flour bags. They can be repurposed into vegetable storage containers. Just give them a good clean, cut off the top, and use them to store potatoes, onions, or other root vegetables. The material allows for good air circulation, keeping your veggies fresh for longer. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I will keep my home tidy" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 12. Takeaway container organization. Those plastic containers from takeout meals can have a second life as kitchen organizers. I use them to store everything from cookie cutters to small kitchen gadgets. They stack neatly in drawers or cabinets, and you can easily see what's inside. It's a great way to keep small items from getting lost in the back of a drawer. 13. DIY spice drawer divider. If you have a drawer dedicated to spices, make it work harder for you. Create tilted organizers from cardboard to elevate the back rows of spices. This makes it easier to see and reach all your spices, even the ones at the back. I did this in my kitchen, and it's made cooking so much more efficient. 14. Magazine shirt folding template. Want to achieve that neat store display look in your drawers? Use an old magazine as a folding guide for your shirts. Simply place the magazine in the center of your shirt, fold the sides over, then fold from top to bottom. Remove the magazine and you'll have a perfectly folded shirt every time. This trick has transformed my messy t-shirt drawer into something I'm actually proud to open. 15. Space-saving sock rolling technique. Say goodbye to lost socks with this efficient rolling method. Instead of folding your socks, try rolling them into compact balls. Not only does this save space, but it also makes it easier to see all your socks at once. I started doing this a few months ago, and I haven't lost a single sock since. 16. Pillowcase set storage. Keep your matching sheet sets together by storing them inside one of the set's pillowcases. This way, you'll never have to hunt for a matching fitted sheet again. I do this with all my bedding sets, and it's made changing the sheets so much quicker and easier. 17. Tension rod shelf creation. Add extra shelving to your closets with tension rods. These are great for creating additional space for shoes, purses, or folded clothes. I added a couple to my hall closet, and it's doubled my storage space without any permanent alterations. 18. Cloth bag garment protection. Protect special clothing items by storing them in thin cloth bags. Old pillowcases work great for this. This keeps dust off your clothes and prevents snags from hangers or other garments. I use this method for my formal wear, and it's kept everything in great condition. 19. Vertical cardboard dividers. Create custom separators for shoes or folded clothes using cardboard. Cut pieces to fit your shelves and stand them up vertically to create compartments. This works especially well for organizing shoes on closet floors or separating stacks of t-shirts on shelves. 20. Sari organization system. If you have delicate fabrics like saris or formal wear, try this storage method. Use cotton bags. Pillowcases work great. To protect each item, then hang them on padded hangers. This keeps your special garments dust-free and prevents wrinkles. 21. Clothespin document holders. Create a simple paperclip system using clothespins. Clip them to a string or a board and use them to hold important documents, bills, or notes. I have one of these in my home office, and it's been a game changer for keeping track of paperwork. 22. Clothespin art display. Make a gallery wall with string and clothespins. Hang a few strings horizontally on your wall, then use clothespins to clip up artwork, photos, or even postcards. It's an easy way to create a changeable display that adds personality to any room. 23. Cardboard cup holder desk organizers. Those cardboard cup holders from coffee shops make great desk organizers. Use them to hold pens, pencils, scissors, and other office supplies. I have one on my desk right now, and it keeps everything within easy reach. 24. Magazine holder from cereal boxes. Transform empty cereal boxes into stylish magazine holders. Cut off the top at an angle, cover with pretty paper or paint, and you've got a custom magazine holder. These work great on bookshelves or desks to keep papers and magazines tidy. 25. Cereal box file holders. Similar to the magazine holders, you can also use cereal boxes to create vertical file organizers. Cut them to your desired height, cover them if you like, and use them to sort papers, bills, or schoolwork. I use these in my kids' study area to keep their homework organized. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click a link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 26. Shoebox cabinet dividers. Don't throw away those shoeboxes. They make excellent cabinet dividers. Use them to separate items in your bathroom or kitchen cabinets. I use them in my linen closet to keep sheet sets and towels neatly separated. 27. Lego piece storage. If you have kids or adults who love Lego, try sorting the pieces using repurposed containers. Ice cube trays, muffin tins, or small food containers work great for this. It makes cleanup time easier and helps prevent those painful barefoot encounters with stray Lego pieces. 28. Rubber band organization. Use those paper liners that come with fruit as drawer dividers for small items like rubber bands or paper clips. They're the perfect size for desk drawers and help keep everything neatly separated. 29. Chocolate box compartments. Don't toss those clear plastic chocolate boxes. They make perfect organizers for small items like jewelry, buttons, or craft supplies. The clear plastic makes it easy to see what's inside, and they often stack nicely too. 30. Snack box craft storage. Empty snack boxes are great for organizing craft supplies. Use them to store paintbrushes, colored pencils, or other art materials. The long, narrow shape is perfect for these items, and you can easily label the outside for quick identification. 31. Command hook device stand. Create a stand for your phone or tablet using command hooks. Stick 2 hooks to the wall, spaced to hold your device. It's a great way to keep your gadgets off the counter while charging or when following a recipe in the kitchen. 32. Cable management with toilet rolls. Keep your cords organized using empty toilet paper rolls. Label each roll, then coil your cords inside. This prevents tangling and makes it easy to find the cord you need. I use this method for all my electronics cords, and it's made my junk drawer so much neater. 33. Cord labels from bread tags. Those little tags that keep bread bags closed can be repurposed as cord labels. Write the name of the device on the tag, then clip it onto the corresponding cord. No more guessing which cord goes to which device. 34. Paperclip cable guides. Use large paper clips as cable guides on your desk. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your cords through them. This keeps cords from falling behind the desk and makes for a neater workspace. 35. Paper roll gift wrap organization. Store gift wrap rolls in an old garment bag. Cut holes in the bottom for the rolls to poke through. Then hang the bag in a closet. This keeps your wrapping paper neat and easily accessible. 36. Old clothes as cleaning wipes. Transform old t-shirts or towels into reusable cleaning cloths. Cut them into squares and store them in an old tissue box for easy access. They're great for dusting or cleaning up spills, and you can just toss them in the wash when they get dirty. 37. Baby wipe box napkin holder. Empty baby wipe containers make great holders for napkins or plastic bags. Cut a slit in the top, and you've got an instant dispenser. I keep one filled with napkins in my car for on-the-go messes. 38. Hanging glove storage. Use clothespins to create a drying rack for gloves. Clip the pins to a hanger and use them to hang wet gloves. This is especially useful in winter when gloves are constantly getting wet from snow. 39. Toilet roll organizers. Empty toilet paper rolls are great for organizing hair accessories and other small items. Stand them up in a drawer and use them to store hair ties, bobby pins, or even jewelry. It keeps everything visible and easy to grab. 40. Container lid drawer system. Organize your bathroom supplies using container lids. Arrange lids of various sizes in a drawer, then place small items like makeup, hair accessories, or toiletries in each one. It's like having custom-sized compartments in your drawer. 41. Command hook high chair organization. If you have a baby, try attaching command hooks to your high chair for bib storage. This keeps bibs within easy reach during mealtimes and helps them dry between uses. 42. Plastic bag dispensing system. Create an easy dispensing system for plastic bags by linking them together. Stuff them into an empty tissue box, pulling the end of one through the opening. Now you can pull out bags one at a time, just like tissues. 43. Box lid planter liners. Use the lids from plastic containers as liners under your plant pots. They catch excess water and protect your surfaces. Plus, they're easy to clean and can be hidden by the pot itself. 44. Door handle protection. Create bumpers for your door handles using cardboard. Cut circles from cardboard, cover them with felt or fabric, if you like, and attach them to the wall where the door handle hits. This prevents damage to your walls from door handles. 45. Plastic bag folding system. Implement an efficient storage method for reusing plastic bags. Fold them into compact triangles, like folding a flag, for easy storage and quick access. This takes up less space than wadded-up bags and looks neater too. 46. Teddy Grahams box toy storage. Those rectangular Teddy Grahams boxes make great flip-top containers for small toys. Cut a flap in the top, decorate the outside if you like, and use them to store Legos, marbles, or other small items. The flip top makes it easy for kids to access their toys and put them away. 47. Drawer organization with egg cartons. Empty egg cartons are perfect for organizing small items in drawers. Use them for storing jewelry, craft supplies, or office items like thumbtacks and paper clips. The compartments keep everything neatly separated. 48. Art supply organization. Sort art supplies using food containers. Use yogurt cups for paintbrushes, margarine tubs for crayons, and so on. Label each container for easy identification. This system has made art time so much more enjoyable in our house. 49. Homework station box. Create portable study stations using shoe boxes. Fill them with school supplies, a small notebook, and any other items your child needs for homework. This keeps everything together and makes it easy to set up a study space anywhere in the house. 50. Game piece storage. Keep board game pieces organized using small containers or boxes. Use pill organizers for tiny pieces or repurpose small food containers for larger items. Label each container with a game name for easy setup and cleanup. There you have it, 50 best home organization ideas of zero cost. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.